let's do an unboxing of the Tupperware Handy Spiralizer. It makes your vegetables into noodles. For example, zucchini noodles, those curly ones, looks like pasta. Carrots, cucumbers, potatoes, maybe sweet potatoes. They're a little bit harder though, but I have done some of them before. Here's what it looks like before unwrapping it. Love the color, love the red. I especially like, what I was interested in this about it is that it sits on the table. I had another spiralizer that I had to do it in my hand and it was a little bit hard to hold on to. So this part is like, let's say there's a zucchini here. This part is holding on to the end of it, carefully because it's sharp. And then there's the little grater or spiralizer inside of there. So you would twist this and out comes your healthy spiral noodles. They'd be good for curly garnishes, or even just to put, for example, a few little curly zucchini pieces, cook them into the top of a soup, something like that. Let me know if you've done noodles or garnishes with a Tupperware spiralizer. I'm just noticing that there's a locked position and an unlocked position on here too. So I will have to check that out in my directions. Let me know if you've used this or what you'd like to cook with this. I'm Kathleen Arola-Johnson. Thanks for subscribing to Creative Solace Studios. I've just had a Tupperware party, so I'm discovering fun things. I'm a mixed media art teacher. Love to have you check out my mixed media art tutorials as well here on YouTube.